You may be leaking valuable suction right at the inlet valves in your wall. We want to show you a quick and easy fix to stop any leak, and this fix applies to any of these central vacuum inlets you see here, whether they're the more industry standard type or they're the older and proprietary type. We're going to show you how to fix a leaky inlet valve in a couple easy steps. Now, before you go and you unscrew the inlet valves from the wall, you're going to go to the central vacuum unit where the dirt's collected and unplug it, whether that's in your basement or garage. Some of the inlet valves are going to have 2 screws, some are going to have 4, some are going to have 3. Go ahead and take those screws out of the wall. You might want to take a razor blade and score around it to get any paint or wallpaper that might be attached off of it. To get the inlet valve off, it helps to pull and twist a little bit. Pull and twist. And finally, you'll feel it come right on out. We're not going to be undoing any wires for this fix, so don't touch any wires, don't undo any wires. This is high voltage and low voltage in this valve. Next, what you're going to do is take some electrician's tape, and all you're going to do is put 1.5 wraps of electrician's tape tightly around the neck of the inlet valve. This is going to help build up the gasket that in many older systems has deteriorated, and putting it on there firmly, pressing it on, feeding the wires back into their areas. And to get it back on, you want to twist and push in the middle. You want to make sure that the valve is parallel with the wall. You don't want it bowed out. And once it's in there, go ahead and put the screws back in. And now at each inlet valve, you should have very little, if none, air loss at all. If there is some air loss, go in and work that valve a little bit more, or you could add a little bit more tape, maybe 2 wraps, but usually just 1.5 wraps, and this valve is up and running. You have no suction loss in this valve, and do that through your whole system. You can gain up to 5% more suction. Really worth it, and you have a well-maintained system. So that's it, and we're here to help you keep your central vacuum running smoothly.